है दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान।
हेलो एवरीवन, सबको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है निखिल अय्यर और हम आज बात करने वाले हैं दो ऐसे दिग्गज कलाकारों की, मोहम्मद रफ़ी और जॉनी वॉकर। What a combination, they form, Rafi and Johnny Walker. Whenever Rafi sang for Johnny Walker, you always found that as if Johnny Walker is singing on the screen. And Mohammad Rafi sang approximately 150 songs for Johnny Walker right from 1954 to 1980, 79-80. And what a wonderful combination they formed together. They gave some of the finest songs, and are still ringing in our ears. They're still very memorable, and these songs will always remain memorable always. For such beautiful numbers which Rafi sang for Johnny Walker. So I'm going to take a musical presentation of all these beautiful songs that Rafi sang for Johnny Walker. So all some funny comedy songs, peppy numbers. And some of the songs are still very popular and will always remain popular. Johnny Walker, was known for his clean comedy. He was one of the few comedians who always gave clean comedy without using any vulgarity, without using any vulgar words. He always gave a very clean comedy, and this is what he was always known for. And when Rafi sang for Johnny Walker, then the song had to be a gem. Rafi sang in such a beautiful voice, he always modulated his voice for especially for Johnny Walker, and you felt as if he's singing himself on the screen. Johnny Walker. Such was the andaz, voice modulation of Mohammad Rafi. So let's take about a musical presentation. So now let's take you for the best song that came in the film CID, which released in 1956. The song was ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान। हा 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 हो ही हा हा। What a song it was, which Rafi sang along with Geeta Dutt, and it was composed by the great O.P. Nayyar and penned by Manju Sultanpuri. The song is still very popular and it will always remain popular, and it is the heart of Mumbai, then called as Bombay. Now next, talk about the next song. It was Sar Jo Tera Chakraye from the movie Pyasa. Sar Jo Tera Chakraye. So this song, it was it was the tune of Sachin Dev Burman. He had composed this song, and R.D. Burman was the assistant music composer in this movie Pyasa. It was released in 1957, and this song was one of the all-time most popular songs. सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए। मालिश तेल मालिश जब पे। Then let's talk about the movie Mr. and Mrs. 55. The song which Rafi sang for Johnny Walker, one of the finest creations of O.P. Nayyar. The song was जाने कहाँ मेरा जिगर गया जी, अभी अभी यही तक इधर गया जी, किसी की अदाओं पे मर गया जी, बड़े बड़े अखियों से डर गया जी, अरे जाने कहाँ मेरा जिगर गया जी, अभी अभी यही तक इधर गया जी. It was sung by Mohammad Rafi and Geeta Dutt and penned by Manju Sultanpuri and composed by O.P. Nayyar. Now let's talk about the next song from the movie Naya Daur. The song was मैं बम्बई का बाबू, नाम मेरा अंजाना, इंग्लिश धुन में गाऊं मैं हिंदुस्तानी गाना, हे मैं बम्बई का बाबू, नाम मेरा अंजाना, इंग्लिश धुन में गाऊं मैं हिंदुस्तानी गाना, मैं बम्बई का बाबू. Again, composed by O.P. Nayyar and penned by Sahid Ludhianvi. It's a beautiful song, and this movie, like Naya Daur, all songs were fabulous, which were composed by O.P. Nayyar, and such was this song also. Now let's talk about the next song from the movie Madhumati. Again, it was a beautiful song, which was composed by O.P. Nayyar. It was composed by Salil Chaudhary, and it was penned by Shailendra. Song was जंगल में मोर नाचा किसी ने न देखा है, हम जो थोड़ी सी पिके जरा झूमे, हारे सबने देखा जंगल में मोर नाचा किसी ने न देखा. Next song let's talk about is the movie Arpar. Actually, this was the first song Jaffy sang for Johnny Walker. It was released in 1954. It's a duet of Mohammad Rafi and Geeta Dutt. The song is a beautiful song penned by Majid Sultanpuri and composed by O.P. Nayyar. अरे ना 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 तौबा तौबा, मैं ना प्यार करूंगी कभी किसी से तो पारे बलम. तौबा तौबा, अरे वाह 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 ऐसा कैसा होगा, तौबा काय को करता प्यार से डरता, ऐसा रे सनम कैसा होगा. It's a wonderful song. Again, it's a beautiful song in which Rafi is using amazing, voice modulations. And in the same movie, Rafi also sang for Guru Dutt also. Songs like Sun 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 Zalima, Mohabbat Kar Lo Ji Bar Lo, Aji Kisne Roka Hai, and all these songs. But still, if you see the movie when Rafi is singing for Guru Dutt, it's a completely different voice, as if Guru Dutt is singing the song. And when Rafi is singing for Johnny Walker, you feel as if Johnny Walker is singing the song on screen. Such was the voice modulation of Rafi that it felt as if two different actors are singing the song on screen. Now, let's talk about the next song from the movie Society. It is the song रहम कभी तो फरमाओ मेरी लैला. It's a beautiful song. Then Rafi sang two songs in the movie Shehzada. Like songs like आती है मेरे सामने, मेरा नाम, फटाफट, and all these songs. Then there was a movie called as Musafir Khana, in which Rafi sang one song, that is Thoda Sa Dil Laga Ke Dekh. But in this song, if you see, Rafi is only singing the lines like Tara Rampam, and Shamshad Begum is actually singing the song. So that such was the magic of Rafi, in this movie. But actually Rafi is not singing a single line. Song is Thoda Sa Dil Laga Ke Dekh Tarampam Tararararam, नैनों में मुस्कुरा के देख रंपम तररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररररrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr you feel as if it's a duet of Rafi and Shamshad Begum, but the way in which Mohammad Rafi singing those like musical notations, like it's a wonderful song. You literally feel as if Johnny Walker is singing the song on screen. He was making those musical notations so beautifully. It was composed by O.P. Nayyar. It's a song of the season, you can say. Also, like there was another song which Rafi sang for Johnny Walker in the movie Musafir Khana, and the song was Agar Babu Dil Pe Kabu. Then let's talk about the movie Milap. Milap was the first movie of N. Datta as a composer. In this movie, Rafi sang one song along with Geeta Dutt. The song was बच्चे ना जरा ए जमाना है बुरा अब मेरी गली में न आना अब मेरी गली में न आना बच्चे ना जरा ये जमाना है बुरा. Again, it's a wonderful song which Rafi sang for Johnny Walker. Now let's talk about the movie Marine Drive. In this movie, Rafi sang two songs for Johnny Walker, and the songs were बता ए आसमां वाले and मोहब्बत यूं भी होता है. Then let's talk about the movie Anjan. which released in 1956. This song Rafi sang one song for Johnny Walker. This movie was composed by Hemant Kumar. So Mohammad Rafi sang this song. सबसे महंगी चीज मोहब्बत दुनिया के बाजार में, अच्छा है जो रहे कवारा क्या रखा है प्यार में. सबसे महंगी चीज मोहब्बत दुनिया के बाजार में, अच्छा है जो रहे कवारा क्या रखा है प्यार 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 में. In this song there's one interesting thing that Johnny Walker is singing his own name on screen. This song, in the third antara, there is one line in which Johnny Walker is singing his name only on the screen. Naam mera Johnny Walker. He is doing this in quite a few songs in which Rafi is actually singing Johnny Walker's name like Johnny, and all these things. And as if you feel as if Johnny Walker himself is singing his name on the screen. Such was the beautiful magic which Rafi created for Johnny Walker. Then let's talk about the movie Naya Andaz. Naya Andaz mein Rafi sang 3 songs for Johnny Walker. Songs like Duniya Ke Bazaar Mein, which was a duet of Rafi, Kishore Kumar, and also Shabsha Begum also sang that song. And Ye Raat Ashikana Hai, and Aaj Suhani Raat Re, Aaj Suhani Raat Re. So like all beautiful songs which was composed by O.P. Nayyar. Now let's talk about the movie Chu Mantar. In the movie Chu Mantar, Johnny Walker himself was the main lead. He played the main lead. Actually, Johnny Walker is known for his comedy songs, peppy songs. And Rafi sang mostly all the songs were comedy romantic songs or some like comedy songs always. But Rafi also sang some sad songs for Johnny Walker. That's a very rare thing, Rafi singing a sad song for Johnny Walker. And that song also became a huge hit. Song was Gareeb जान के अपनी मोहब्बत हमें सिखा देना, तुम्ही ने दर्द दिया है तुम्ही दवा देना, गरीब जान के लगी है चोट कलेजे पे उम्र भर के लिए, नजर मिला तो अपनी मोहब्बत हमें सिखा देना, तुम्ही ने दर्द दिया है तुम्ही दवा देना, गरीब जान के. What a song it was. Also Rafi sang a few more songs in the movie Chu Mantar like मैं तो बाके नैनो वाली, गम नहीं कर मुस्कुरा, and आंख में सूरत तेरी. All these beautiful songs. Now let's talk about the movie Shrimati 420, which released in 1956. This Rafi song यहाँ हम वहाँ तुम कहीं हो न जाएगो, बोलो कहाँ अजी यहाँ. Again, it's a beautiful song. So like it was composed by O.P. Nayyar. Then Rafi sang the song थोड़ा सा हमको शरबत दीदार in the movie Ghulam Begum Badshah. And Rafi songs like sang like another song, मैं हूँ मिस्टर जॉनी मैंने सब मुल्कों का पिया है पानी, सारी दुनिया घूम दाम के बना हो हिंदुस्तानी, तुम पूछोगे क्यों मैं अभी बताता हूँ, मैं हूँ जानी बड़ा तूफानी, ओ मैं हूँ जानी बड़ा तूफानी, मैं हूँ मिस्टर जॉनी मैंने सब मुल्कों का पिया है पानी, सारी दुनिया घूम दाम के बना हो हिंदुस्तानी, तुम पूछोगे क्यों मैं अभी बताता हूँ, और मैं हूँ जानी बड़ा तूफानी. This song he sang in the movie Mahiba. And in this song also there's some interesting things like Rafi singing Johnny. Again the voice modulation is bringing throughout the song in all the 4 antaras. It's amazing. Literally, you feel as if Johnny is himself singing the song on screen. That was the magic which Rafi created when he sang for Johnny Walker. Again in this song Johnny Walker is singing his own name. As I said, he sang his own name in the movie, also in the movie Anjan. Again in this song also he's singing his own name on screen. And I have also noticed in many songs Rafi also he literally speaks some dialogue also, Rafi, in between. Like, like an example, the song, Are na 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 na, Toba Toba, these things. Acha, Kaika, all this, like small dialogue he speaks in between. Also that also emphasizes the quality of the song. It takes the song to another level, literally. Such was the magic which Rafi created for when he sang for Johnny Walker. There was another song in the movie Maiba, that is Tu Dil Mera Lauta De. Then now let's talk about the movie Changesh Khan. Rafi sang the song Ye Hokar Rahega. Okay, it's a beautiful song. Then also he sang the song Husn Jawa Ishq Jawa. Now there was another movie released. The name of the movie was Johnny Walker. It was composed by O.P. Nayyar. It was penned by I think Hasan Jaipuri, all the songs. But that movie also was name itself was Johnny Walker. And who was the actor? Who was the hero? It is Johnny Walker himself played the lead role of the movie, and some of the beautiful songs that movie had, like बेइस्तेहार होके प्यार का जवाब होके, then ए दिल तू न डर इस जहान से, ए दिल तू न डर इस जहान से. And then there was a beautiful duet which Rafi sang along with Geeta Dutt in the movie Johnny Walker. That duet, I still like love that song like anything. That duet, you can see the beautiful cities, and all the city names comes in that duet, like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. What a song it was. That song was बच के बलम चल के रास्ता है मुश्किल मोहब्बत के बाजार में, कभी गम की घटा कभी ठंडी हवा है मोहब्बत के गुलजार में. ये जवां बम्बई के नज़ारे चुरा लेंगे दिल को तुम्हारे. ये दिल्ली की मदहोश गलियां, ये सड़क कलकत्ते की, सुनो बात तुम एक पते की. Rafi sings पते की. He sings beautifully. पते की. What a beautiful line it was. Again, like it was a wonderful song which Johnny Walker and actress Shyama, they both are singing the song on screen. There was another song in this movie, मुंह से मत लगा चीज है बुरी, देख बच जरा चीज है बुरी, अरे झूठ बोलता है तू मैंने पी नहीं, तारा दारू तारा रारा तारा दारू तारा रारा. It was sung by Mohammad Rafi and Manade on screen. It was a male duet which Rafi and Manade sang the song on screen in the movie Johnny Walker. Now next talk about the movie Duniya Rang Rangili, in which Rafi sang two songs like तुझे ना कोई गम and तुमसे दिल क्या लगाया. Now let's talk about the movie Mr. X, in which Rafi sang a beautiful song for Johnny Walker, And this song you feel as if Kishore Kumar is singing this song on screen. You feel as if literally Rafi, the way he sang the song was amazing. लाल लाल गाल जाल कहला दूं, देख 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 दिल पे रहे काबू, छोड़ 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 हाथ परदेसी बाबू. The song was very popular, those days in Radio Ceylon and Vivek Bharati and everything. This song was often played on the radio, and literally Johnny Walker took this song to another level. Rafi and Johnny Walker both. What a combination it was. Now let's talk about the movie Gateway of India. It was a nice duet of Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar. देखता चला गया मैं जिंदगी की राह में. And another song was हम अभी आता हूँ. Then let's talk about the movie एक साल. Rafi sang the song दिल तो किसी को दोगे किसी के हाँ किर होगे. Then दो रोटी Rafi sang songs like गैर के बरसे ये घटाए and चोरों की तरह तुम चुपके चुपके आते. Now let's talk about the movie Mr. Cartoon M.A. you know, Mr. Rafi sang for मैं cartoon. What a song it was. Then there was another song, मेरा दिल घबराए. The song composed by O.P. Nayyar and penned by Asad Jaipuri. The songs are like not that popular, but it was like, you know, a beautiful songs which Rafi sang for Johnny Walker. Then let's talk about the movie Lighthouse, which Rafi sang the song आ चोरी चोरी मिल गई. Then let's talk about the movie सितारों के आगे, which Rafi sang the song संभल के ये दुनिया है नगर होशियारों का, इधर आंख झपकाई और उधर माल यारों का. If you see in the movie in which Rafi is singing this line yaron ka, he's singing all the 4 antras. He's singing yaron ka in 4 different ways for Johnny Walker. That was, you know, the beautiful part of this song. And you know what, another one interesting thing is that in this song Sitaron Ke Aage, you can see trumpets playing in the background. The actual musical instrument, if you see, it is the trumpet, and it was played by the great Manoli Singh, who was a wonderful saxophone player who also played the English flute. And this was the first movie in which he played the trumpet for S.D. Burman. It's an interesting trivia which Manoli Singh himself had shared with me and my dad when we met him in his house in Andheri many years back, I think in 2007 or 2008. So he shared this interesting story to us. So now let's talk about it. Also there's another song in the movie, Zara Ruk Ja, O Pyare Ruk Ja. And there are like wonderful songs Rafi sang in the movie. Naya Paisa, like Toba Toba Yadaein, and Mera Dil Tujh Pe Qurbaan Hai, and वो मेरी बुलबुले बगदाद, 1 2 3 दिल गई चीन, अजी नाना 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 तौबा तौबा, तेरे घुंघरू जो चम चम बाजे. He sang all these songs. The movie Naya Paisa. Now let's talk about the movie Mujrim. Mujrim was Shami Kapoor was the hero in this movie, and in which Rafi sang only, you know, one song for Johnny Walker. The song was जुल्फ के फंदे फंस गई जा, मर गया मैं तो ओ मेरी माँ. So in this song, there's one interesting thing that, you know, that Majru Sultanpuri, who has penned this song, his name appears in the last antra. मजरूह ने कल जुल्फ हुई तो मजबूर हुई, सच कहा था मजरूह ने कल. Majru himself penned this song, penned his own name, this song. Was composed by O.P. Nayyar. And let's talk about the movie Kota Paisa. Was composed by Madan Mohan, which he sang songs like अदाएं जब हो लटकेदार, निगाहें भी हो झटकेदार, तो बच के जाएं कहाँ दिल वाले, शाबा ओ बच के जाएं कहाँ दिल वाले, रसीले नैन मुसाफिर मार, ये बातें दिल की लक्ष्यदार, तो बच के जाएं कहाँ दिल वाले. This song Rafi sang along with Asha Bhosle. This song. Then he also sang he also sang the song हसीनो संभालो, हसीनो संभालो अपनी ये दुनिया. And he also sang the song दिल हसीनों से. Now let's talk about the movie घर संसार. Rafi sang songs like होठ गुलाबी and छेड़ो धुन, all these songs. Now let's talk about the movie Detective. Was composed by Mukul Roy. In which Rafi sang songs like कल तलक हम टीकता, आज तुम्हें क्या हो गया, दिल भी हमको छोड़ के क्या पराया हो गया, आजा कर ले मुकाबला ये बाजी प्यार की, हो जाए आज फैसला ये बाजी प्यार की, कहती हूँ मान जा. In this song Rafi sang these duets along with Geeta Dutt. This movie Detective was composed by Geeta Dutt's elder brother Mukul Roy. Then let's talk about the movie Chandan, with Rafi sang the song बड़ा ही CID है ओ नीली छतरी वाला, हर ताबी की हाँ हीरा के हर चाबी का ताला. Now let's talk about the movie Amardeep. Rafi sang the song. अब डर है किसका प्यारे, कर गम भागे बेटा सारे, एक रंग बिरंगी चिड़िया अब तो लगेगी हाथ हमारे, अरे मारा मारा. What a beautiful songs are like. You should remember this song very well. Like. Then let's talk about the movie Ajeeb Shukriya, and with Rafi sang ओ दाता दे हमको भी एक प्यारा बंगला, अजी हम तो तेरे चाहने वालों में हैं. ओ दाता. Again Rafi sings his name, Johnny Walker himself. In which this song again Johnny Walker sings his name on screen. So it's also one of those songs. Then let's talk about the movie Aakhri Daw. Rafi sang the song. इधर तो हाथ ला प्यारे, दिखाऊं दिन तू भी तारे, दिखा है क्या हसीनों से सुन सारे, इधर तो हाथ ला प्यारे. And let's talk about the movie 12 O'Clock, which Rafi sang the song. देख इधर ए हसीना, जून का है महीना, काली जुल्फों का साया, आ रहा है पसीना. Then let's talk about the movie कागज की फूल. Rafi sang the song. हम तुम जिसे कहता है शादी, दोनों है पूरा बर्बादी. This was the only song which was penned by Shailendra. This movie Kaagaz Ke Phool, composed by H.G. Burman. Rest all songs are penned by Kaifi Azmi. Now let's talk about the movie Zara Bach Ke. Rafi sang the song. पत्ता नोट करो हमारा, ओ पत्ता नोट करो हमारा, हमसे आ मिलना दोबारा, प्रेम नगर में पेल नगर पे सबसे ऊंचे माले पर है खोली नंबर 11, पत्ता नोट करो. And also Rafi sang some songs in the movie like माले तुझ पे दुनिया सारी, आंकड़े का धंधा. Then let's talk about the movie Sata Bazaar, in which Rafi sang the song. जा जान छेड़ मान बिजा, जा जान छेड़ मान बिजा. This song Rafi sang along with Suman Kalyanpur, and this song was penned by Shailendra. It's the only song Shailendra ever penned for Kalyanji Anandji. It's the only song Shailendra wrote for Kalyanji Anandji. Also, Rafi sang the song Tehro Ji Abdul Ghaffar. Now let's talk about the movie Pehli Raat, which Rafi sang songs like दिल भर पे हो ना काबू, दिल भर पे हो ना काबू, फोटो खिंचा ले बाबू, माशूक हो या जेब में अब दर्द का वो जादू, हाय दिल भर पे हो ना काबू. तो सॉन्ग हमको दुआएं दो, फिर ये पाउडर ये सुर्खियाँ, जमाना प्यार का मौसम बहार का, और सॉन्ग sang मूवी पहली रात. और let's talk about the movie पैगाम. Rafi sang the song. कैसे दिवाली मनाए हम लाला, अपना तो 12 महीने दिवाला, अब ना 12 महीने दिवाला. Then he sang बदला सारा जमाना बाबू. Then सुनो रे भैया हम लाए, all the songs. Now let's talk about the movie जवानी की हवा, in which Rafi sang the song जा रे जा मेरा दिल ना जला, जा रे जा मेरा दिल ना जला. And let's talk about the movie Black Cat. Rafi sang the song. 1 2 3 4 दिल का तू चोर, 5 6 7 8 हो यू आर के, 5 6 7 8 हो यू आर के. Then नशे में हम नशे में तुम, then कौन तुझे रोके कौन तुझे टोके, कौन तुझे रोके कौन तुझे टोके, दुनिया को दिए जा धोखे पे धोखे, अरे ओके कौन तुझे रोके. Rafi sang धोखे पे धोखे and okay, in which Rafi sings his songs in 4 to 5 different voices in each antara. That's something interesting, in which like you can feel as if Johnny is singing the song on screen. Rafi himself, sings those beautiful dialogue, like dialogue like singing, That's something speciality it was, which Rafi singing for Johnny Walker. Then let's talk about the movie Bhai Behin, which Rafi sang the song. बेटा डर मत डर मत डर मत, आहें बर मत बर मत बर मत, चिंता कर मत कर मत कर मत, यूं ही मर मत मर मत मर मत, बेटा डर मत. देन ओ छोकरी वो तू ही है, देन जाते जाते इशारों से, all the songs Rafi sang in the movie Bhai Behin. Then let's talk about the movie Rickshaw Wala, which Rafi sang songs like Pandit Hoya Lala, then Bolo Dil Mera Machal, जवानी में तो एक दिल, then जैसे चाहे रखे ओ दाता, then जैसे चाहे रखे ओ दाता, then let's talk about the movie काला आदमी, Rafi sang the song बाबू इंश्योरेंस करा लो, मिस्टर इंश्योरेंस करा लो, जितना पैसा डालो तुम उससे दुगना पालो तुम, इंश्योरेंस करा लो, इंश्योरेंस करा लो, अरे अब तो इंश्योरेंस करा लो भाई. No, if whenever Rafi sings for Johnny Walker, you can see this bhai word he uses many times. अरे भाई, you know, like, and again this song you can see अब तो इंश्योरेंस करा लो भाई, in which Rafi is literally, you know, singing same voice of Johnny Walker. He brings this interesting dialogues, you know, like on the screen. Some of the beautiful songs. Was composed by Datta Ram, this song. And then Rafi also sang the song Mera to Dil Dil Ghabraye. Mera to Dil 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 Ghabraye. Then let's talk about the movie Gar Ki Laaj, with Rafi sang songs like Leila Ki Ungliyan, Le Lo Churiyan, ले लो चूड़ियाँ मैं लाया अंगेरी गंग का, ले लो चूड़ियाँ नीली नीली काली काली बारी मेरी बारी बारी बाहों का सिंगार, ले लो चूड़ियाँ. Then he also sang the song तेरा लटका लटका लगा. और let's talk about the movie चौधरी का चांद. He sang songs like मेरा यार बना है दुल्हा और फूल खिले हैं दिल के, मेरी भी शादी हो जाओ दुआ करो सब मिलके भाई. Then he sang ये दुनिया गोल है ऊपर से पोल है, अंदर जो देखो प्यारे बिल्कुल पोलम पोल है, ये दुनिया गोल है. Then एक फूल चार कांटे, तिरछी नजर से यूं ना देख. Wonderful songs. And let's talk about the movie Basant, in which Shammi Kapoor was the main lead and Nutan was the actress on heroine. Again, Rafi sang some 13 duets with Asha Bhosle. Those duets were beautiful duets. He also sang some wonderful songs for Johnny Walker. Rafi and Asha Bhosle singing some songs. So now let's talk about the songs in the movie. Basant was composed by O.P. Nayyar. मेरे दिल पे लगा के डार्लिंग अपने नाम के चिट, तेरे मेरे प्यार की फिल्म बनी तो हो जाएगी हिटा. And he sang the song like घूम के आया हूँ मैं बंदू रूस चीन इंग्लैंड, दुनिया वालों मुझे उड़ा लो सुनकर मेरा बैंड बाजे वाला. This song also, you know, like Johnny Walker is singing his name also on screen, along with, you know, he also takes the name of Raj Kapoor, Mohammad Rafi, Asha Bhosle, and many other people in this song. Like, that's the most interesting part of this song. Rafi, Asha, they themselves sing their name on screen. Also, like, also you can listen to songs of O.P. Nayyar, Naushad, music composers like, I think, Shankar Rakesh also, H.D. Burman. Also you can listen Johnny Walker's name himself on screen. The song. Then another song was हमने उनके सितम. And चोरी चोरी एक इशारा हो गया है, दिल हमारा था तुम्हारा हो गया है. In this song, you know, Rafi singing for Shammi Kapoor and Johnny Walker both on the screen. Then let's talk about the movie Modern Girl, in which Rafi sang the song तोड़ दिया चश्मा तूने. Then in the movie Wanted, Rafi sang songs like हम भी काश कुंवारे होते, and then निगाहें शौक से कह दो, all these songs. Now let's talk about the movie सुहाग सिंदूर. Rafi sang songs like उस लड़की का है नाम काला, then इंसाफ वाला जो भगवान होता. Now let's talk about the movie छोटे नवाब, in which was R.D. Burman's first movie as a composer, which first released movie. First movie was Raz, it was unreleased movie. It was the first released movie. Rafi sang जीने वाले मुस्कुरा के जी खुशी के जाम मुस्कुरा और पी, खबर किसको कि कल क्या हो, अजी ये 2 दिन की है जिंदगी. In which Rafi singing for Johnny Walker. Apart from that, Lata Mangeshkar and Mehmood are also singing on the screen. Now let's talk about the movie Sache Moti, where Rafi sang like Chahe Deke Gur Ke, या फिर गरास हो तो नखरे. Then नीली आंखें, Rafi sang the song तेरी नजरों ने ऐसा किया. And now let's talk about the movie Girls Hostel. Rafi sang songs like इधर भी हसीना उधर भी, हम यार की गली में. And the movie बात है क्राब की, Rafi sang the song आज का दिन भी फीका, आज का दिन भी फीका फीका. Then the movie उस्तादों के उस्ताद, Rafi sang the song मैंने कहा था आना संडे को. And मेरे दिल को जिसकी, on this song. The movie प्यार का बंधन, Rafi sang the song संभल कर इश्क फरमाना. And the movie फूल बने अंगारी, Rafi sang the song सुन गोरी कोल जरा घूंघट. Then the song मुजरिम, Rafi sang मैं बाजे वाला बाबा या पर यहाँ कोई चलावा. And also Rafi sang the song इश्क वालों पे जमाने की नजर. Then the movie कौन अपना कौन पराया, Rafi sang आशिक हूँ अपने प्यार के, अजीज सूरत हो तो ऐसी हो. Then the song कहीं प्यार ना हो जाए, Rafi sang मेरी जान. All the songs in the movie घर बसा के देखो, Rafi sang the song ये रस तेरी बातों का चॉकलेट, ये जब तेरी आँखों का ऑमलेट, ये कारा तेरी जुल्फों का बेबी, दिल तो गया लपेट. Again this song also, if you see the last antara, after last antara, and the mukada comes at the last part of the song. Rafi singing all this name chocolate and all this in Johnny Walker, literally in Johnny Walker's voice, chocolate, and this that andaz itself was amazing. Rafi literally mimicked Johnny Walker's voice on the screen when he's recording actual song. It was a beautiful part of Rafi's song. Then in the movie Shehnai, Rafi sang the song कितनी जवान है जिंदगी and शर्मा के ना जा. And the movie दूर की आवाज, Rafi sang हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. This is like, I think this is the most famous birthday song which everyone plays. And if you see on the screen, Rafi singing for Johnny Walker. And this was like penned by Shakil Badayuni and composed by Ravi. And this remains one of the best birthday songs in my house. On everyone's birthday, we play this song every year. On everyone's birthday. So it's a must play song along with Bare Bare Duniya Hai. And when I was very small, during all my birthdays, this song was always played by my parents. That is the main strength of this song. It's still very popular. Then also he sang the song एक मुसाफिर को दुनिया में क्या चाहिए. Then now let's talk about the movie Bombay Race Course, in which Rafi sang the song ले गया जालिम गरी समाज के. The movie प्रीत न जाने री, Rafi sang यहाँ भी तो नहीं है, यहाँ भी तो नहीं है, वहाँ भी तो नहीं है. Then in the movie दिल लगी, Rafi sang the song दुपट्टा ओढ़े नीले निकली बहारा. Then let's talk about the movie बहारें फिर भी आएंगी. He sang the song सुनो सुनो मिस चैटर्जी मेरे दिल का मैटर जी, कलकत्ते वाली रूट गई क्यों, बात नहीं ये बैटर जी, AETTER बैटर, BETTER बैटर. उसका कोई ओपी नहीं है. एंड संग रफी आशा भोसले ऑनेस्टली, and संग रफी आशा भोसले. Then let's talk about the movie Night in London. Rafi sang the song बाग में फूल किसने खिलाए. And ओ मेरे यार टॉमी देता हूँ मैं सलामी, रास्ता ना रोक मेरा जाने दे मैं जाऊँ. This song, if you see on the screen, Johnny Walker singing along with a dog. The dog barks, bow, bow. My nephew, he always liked this song when he was small. Also, like he still loves this song like anything. Now let's talk about the movie Jaal. Rafi sang the song Dil De 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 De. And in Dunia, he sang the song Tu Hai Meri Lakshmi. In Pyar Ka Sapna, he sang the song Hasinao Ki Aankhon Ka Tara. In the Huzur, he sang the song Meri Jaan Apne Ashik. In the song, the movie Mere Huzur. Sanjog, he sang किसी गुल की ये किस्मत है. And then गरज हो तो नखरे दिखाती है बीबी, the movie Raju. And किसी गुल की ये किस्मत है, the movie Sanjog. So all this song, like it literally amplifies, that fact that Rafi sang, I think the most numbers for Johnny Walker, around 150 songs, and I'm sure these songs will remain always popular with us. And such was the real strength, of Rafi and Johnny Walker songs. Literally feel as if Johnny Walker himself is singing on the screen all these songs. What a combination they form. Johnny Walker himself always, he when I heard him in an interview, he literally said that अगर रफ़ी साहब ना होते तो जॉनी वॉकर इतना मशहूर नहीं होता. The song would have been not been so popular, if Rafi didn't sing them. Rafi, literally took those songs to a very high level, and he literally, moderated his voice for Johnny Walker. Not only for Johnny Walker, he moderated his voice for all the actors. And that gave the actors, a high prestige it gave the actors. So this was my small musical presentation of Rafi and Johnny Walker songs. I'm sure these songs will remain always popular. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Then also Rafi sang the song All Line Clear. आगे बढ़ो आगे चलो छोटी सी ये अल्टन पल्टन फौज है मेरे घर की, बात हमारे तो सब बोला बात नहीं है डर की. All Line Clear. The song Chori Chori. The movie Chori Chori.